Hi, it's Kathy from Raven Vintage. Welcome to my craft room. I have a big announcement to make. Starting today, I am opening orders for some customizable, somewhat, journals. I am going to be doing a journal marathon, so to speak. I would like to just be honest and tell you how this came about. And basically, it's about the ups and downs of home ownership. So, for those of you that have been with me for a while, you know that last year I had to replace my windows in my house. This winter I had tree damage, which needs to be cleaned up, so I've got that expense. In addition to that, at the end of the summer 2025, my air conditioning died. And I thought, oh, well, that's a next year problem. Well, next year is here. It appeared on my calendar to call for those quotes. So I got my first quote yesterday, and it's $5,500. And honestly, I was a little bit upset. I had no idea what this was going to cost. But I'm proud of myself because I didn't stay in that mindset for too long. Of course, I've got another quote coming. She just left, actually, and she's going to get back to me, and I'll get another. But I know it's going to be somewhere in that ballpark now that I've had the first quote. So rather than being upset, I thought, okay, what can I control here and what can't I? So what is a non-variable is I'm a single lady with one income. I don't have a second income in the house, so it's up to me. But what I can control is I can figure out a way to earn the money that I need to pay for this air conditioning replacement. So this is where this idea came up. I am going to turn this into a creative project for myself. And this is where this big idea of the journal marathon comes in. So I am going to, the outline of my plan is to make approximately 30 large journals and 10 to 15 of my smaller price point journals and 10 to 15 of my mid price journals. So you may or may not be aware of my pricing structure. It looks like this. This is my current inventory. Right now, my creative starters are all sold out. So that's the $85 mark. My seasonal stories, I have just a couple left. I have the bunnies and a So Lovely journal. And then my signature makes, I don't have many of those left either. I have a couple of fabric journals with tassels, one friendship journal left, and the travel bug. That's the last. That's the altered book journal I have. That's all that I have left in my inventory right now. So I plan to make about 30 of these in the 160 range, and about 10 to 15 of the 120 range, and about 10 to 15 of these. So the creative starters are just a basic plain journal with no ephemera in them, but the foundation is there for you to build on. The seasonal stories, they're usually a seasonal journal or a mid-sized journal in a vintage theme. And then signature makes, those are my fulsome journals with a lot of vintage elements in them, and generally one of a kind. So here's how this is going to work. This is where the customizable part comes in. If you were to go to my Etsy shop and browse my kits and my vintage collections, you can let me know which of those kits, what theme you want. So for example, the Anna kit, you could say, I want an Anna journal in this price range, or I want an Anna journal, I want the full kit and caboodle, or I just want a base journal, an Anna journal. So you can tell me which theme and which price point you want. I'm going to be taking a $30 deposit Canadian, which is roughly $21 US, non-refundable deposit, and contact me by email. That's it. Contact me by email. Tell me what you're looking for. I'll give you an invoice through Square that you can pay your deposit, which is non-refundable, and I will do them in order. I will make them in order of when I receive the down payment money. So I'm going to start right away. So you can place your order anytime, and that's it. There's just browse through my kits, or maybe you have some of my printables already. And if you don't, just jump on my Etsy store there and tell me which theme you would like. and I will build you a vintage style journal using tea-dyed paper, old music sheets, old ledger paper, and that themed kit. And I'll probably mix in either attic papers or some vintage wallpaper printables or something in there, and I will build you a journal. So pick your theme and pick your price point, okay? And I hope to get on that, and just keep in mind it could be a month to 2 months, 3 months by the time I get them all done. As soon as yours is ready to go, I'll ship it out though. And the other thing I'm going to do is up the service level of shipping that I've been doing, something a little faster, a little more guaranteed. It's been kind of slow lately with the shipping, so we're not doing anything different. You're not doing anything different. I'm not doing anything different. It's what's going on with the postage services. So we'll up it a little bit, and I'll split that cost with you, and I'll do a flat rate $20 shipping, and that way we have a guaranteed shipment. Okay, so after we're finished the 100 Ways series, I'll be getting back into regular tutorial videos, and I have a list of ideas of things I want to work on. There's been a few requests, so I'll be using the journals I'm making for this quest here, and I'll be using them in those videos. So you might see your journal being made, or if you want your journal to be a complete surprise, just let me know and I'll put it to the side, and I will not use it in one of the videos. So why not turn this into a focused project, and I'll get the money, I'll earn the money I need for that air conditioning. And so if you'd like one, contact me by email, please. It has to be email. If you contact me in another way about this, I'm going to still refer you to email, because I need to keep it all in one place to keep track of it. When you support a creator like myself, a home-based business like this, these are exactly the things you're helping people out with. So I thank you so much. Your support means more than you probably realize. So let me know if you'd like a journal, and your journal could be part of Kathy's quest for cool air. And thank you so much for your support. So when real life happens, and we truly appreciate your support. So I am really happy to be able to have this opportunity to earn money in this way, because I get to connect with all of you guys, support myself by doing something that I thoroughly enjoy, and at the same time make those connections with you. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. So if you'd like to order a journal, please contact me by email, and I better get started. All right, take care. Bye.